America's favorite holiday could look very different in just a few years. By 2030, artificial intelligence might hijack the 4th of July. Here's how. Fireworks? Not made by hand. AI-generated drone shows will dominate the skies. Perfectly synchronized, silent or booming, and all controlled by algorithms that learn your emotional response in real time. Parades? AI-driven floats built by robotic crews, with faces of digital influencers waving, faces that don't even exist. Your barbecue? Personalized by an AI that already knows your cholesterol levels, spice tolerance, and meat preferences. And that big crowd at the park? Every person scanned, tracked, and profiled by AI security before they even arrive. But here's the shocker, the biggest voice singing "God Bless America" may not be human. It might be an AI-trained vocalist with millions of fan uploads fueling its pitch-perfect, patriotic tone. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening faster than we think. So while we celebrate freedom today, ask yourself, who's really in control tomorrow? Happy 4th. Stay aware.